si Twin ay dadating. Si Yam ay dadating. Si Popo ay dadating. At mga friends. Pero nasaan si Hetty? Hello guys, anong gagawin niyo? Play lang ako sana pa. Pero wala si Hetty. Ayun na lang guys, mag-play. Jollibee Town na tayo. Wow, we meet each other. Mag-play muna tayo. Sige. Okay, mag-play tayo. Tago-tagoan muna tayo. Ako yung magtatago. 1, 2. You're gonna find Jollibee is gonna find me here. One. Ay, mag-hide ako dito. Guys. Hindi ako mag-hide dito. Pwede. Oh, yan. Hindi ako makikita. Saan ako mag-hide? Dito sa service. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I not. I'm gonna find you. I got you, Yum. You wanna help me find everything? O sige. Oh no. And then somebody in there. Yum, I found you. And it means Yum and Pope. Yeah, it means I won, yay! And the winner is Twirl. Thank you, Jollibee. And who gets in a musical check, musical box is gonna win. Okay, like this. Do this. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Up and down. Puck! Oh no! Twirl wins! Yay! It means Yum and Popo needs a punishment. The punishment is like this. Ow! 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 And the surprise twirl is, it means you won. You need to guess who's gonna be out. Oh, I think Popo. No. Need the punishment. We're gonna see.
Nako, nasira mo niya, nasira mo. Siguro na nasira ito. Nasira mo naman kuya oh.
Hindi ko.
Nasira mo,
Then you guys won.
Kuya, ganito yan oh. Wala sila
And
na
Popo needs to get out of here. And the winner is it's Yum and Twirl. Yay! And two guys are gonna hug you.
Zero ko yan.
Ayun. Yummy. It's only a prank. I will basketball. Right. I'm gonna dance. I need to skateboard. And I'm gonna push-ups. What a nice friend. Go to your home now. Bye-bye, Jollibee. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I already miss my friend. It means I need to sleep. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.